Always follow the manual carefully. Start by sorting all bolts and washers to avoid mistakes. For safety reasons, we recommend 2 people for assembly. Be aware of 3 different models: WT1500N, WT1500NT and WN1500NT-B. This video is for WT1500NT-B with turner and lockable wheels. Start by mounting left and right wheel frame on the middle frame. Use 12 bolts, M10 by 25, with washers and tighten to a torque setting of 40 Nm. Then mount the 2 lockable wheel adapter plates on the wheel frames. Be aware that the plates can be mounted wrongly. Study the manual carefully. The plates are for lockable wheels on the B version only. Use 8 flathead bolts, M10 by 25, and tighten to 47 Nm. Mount the 2 lockable wheels on the plates. Use 8 bolts, M10 by 20, with washers and again tighten to 47 Nm. Then mount the front wheels with 8 bolts, M10 by 35 and washers. Tighten to 65 Nm. Have someone to assist you for turning the complete frame around. Mount the left roller according to manual. Use 2 bolts, M12 by 30 with washer and bushing. And tighten to a torque setting of 80 Nm. Mount the right roller loosely, including the triangle plate. You might use the support foam from step 1, as in the video, to support it. Dismount the cover plate on column and mount bushing on chainwheel. The bushing must be mounted with the Allen screw away from the chainwheel, as shown in the manual. Adjust roller and chainwheel axles to fit each other. Get assistance to lift the column. Tilt it a bit and then carefully mate the 2 axle ends inside the bushing. If you have a crane or similar, you could choose to suspend the column over the frame and mount the hoses before lowering and mounting the column onto the frame. Slide the bushing against the roller without tightening the Allen screw. Mount the column using 3 screws M8 by 20 with washers and tighten to 20 Nm. Connect the 2 hoses. Then mount the triangle plate using 2 bolts M8 by 20 with washer and tighten to 20 Nm. In the front of the roller, mount the bushing with a rubber hammer. Use bolt M10 by 16 with washer and tighten to 40 Nm. Tighten the bushing by the Allen screw. Mount handle and wheel bracket. Replace the oil plug used for transport by the vented plug according to the manual. Finally, remount cover for column.